Hey guys, this is my Orchard Videos. Well, I finally got the cruise control mechanism for the Kubota L3301. Here's the instruction manual. You see those models it covers. So this cruise control will work on them. But it's pretty in-depth little cruise control setup. And I was planning to do that this weekend, but I think I'm going to hold off on it because it's going to take a little bit of time. So I may have to end up doing this later in the fall when things are not as crazy around here now. Now we got peaches and apricots and everything on hand, and I need my tractor for hauling bins and everything. So yeah, here's the instructions. I know it doesn't look that crazy, but there's a lot to it that has to be done. So instructions are well set out and everything. So, but here's the schematic of the parts and pieces. So quite a bit. It says here a guy has to take apart. You have to take the tire off, and you gotta. You can read that for yourself. Pause it and read it. So there's a lot of stuff the guys have removed to get at to add this cruise control on the tractor. You know, it baffles me that these things are not standard equipment on tractors. I mean, if a tractor is hydrostatic, it should have a cruise control on it. It makes sense to me. It should just come standard with a tractor. If you like it or not, if you don't use it, it's just there. No big deal, right? But you know, I think cruise control should come on every hydrostatic transmission tractor. So anyways, yeah. So we're gonna, at least now we got this. I'll show all the parts and stuff in the box I got there for it. And yeah, it comes with everything you need to do the installation. But it's just too involved right now to be, you know, taking apart the tractor and then have to use it back on Monday for picking more peaches and apricots and so forth. So anyways, we'll show a little more of the parts and pieces, and stay tuned for this little project upgrade on the Kubota L3301. A very well needed cruise control. Alright, thanks for watching. Well, here's the box, parts and pieces, the genuine Kubota parts. So all the parts and pieces the guy needs to make this tractor cruise control. And the cables, everything the guy needs actually. I don't see one of those very often. Project. So anyway, yeah, sorry my bench is all messy here. So we have everything we need in this kit here. Comes with nuts and bolts, all the brackets, everything to make this what it needs to be. Original bag. But just too many pieces right now to be taking tractor apart and putting this cruise control in. So, but it comes with everything a guy needs. So, like I said in a previous video, it baffles me that tractors don't come with. If you're a hydrostatic transmission tractor, this should come standard with cruise control. John Deere does that. I think other brands of tractor do that too. If you're hydrostatic, so you know, I don't know why Kubota doesn't do that, but whatever. So I don't know if this is some electronic thing, but anyways, all the stuff's in there. So, levers, it comes with everything you need. So anyways, thought I'd show you guys that box of goodies for adding cruise control to the Kubota tractor. So anyways, stay tuned for that project coming up. And remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for updates and updates to the L3301 Kubota and other things going on in the channel. And I'll try to respond to your comments if you guys have them. I got the other tractor coming up soon, the little lawn tractor, a G4200 Kubota coming up soon to work on. So anyways, stay tuned for updates on this tractor. And if you didn't know, I like building hot rods or rat rods on the side. So it's a evening project. So if you're interested to know what the truck's about, you can check out my other YouTube channel. It's called Car Crazy Cans Garage, and you can have a look at it. So another farming rig. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.